Okay, we're talking about this picture here. It's a V8 engine. This is mostly wrong for gas levitation. To achieve gas levitation, if this is the gas levitation generator, then these part right here would have to be removed for a pipe that leads to the exterior of the gas levitation space drum. This right here would have to be gone as well, and all the pipes right here is fine. That's fine as well. All these pipes here are fine, but that would have to be removed and added in all to be for pipes that go to the exhaust to create a gas levitation field. And this right here would be where the liquid gas levitation liquid goes into the engine, and it will be mostly sealed, but it would have big pipes everywhere. That will be still be the same, or it can be replaced, and all this can remain. But if this remains, and that's where it will be, this right here would have to connect to the gas levitation generator for liquid hydrogen, heavy liquid hydrogen at 0.9, 0.8, with a 69:1 ratio and various other ratios. And if all of that's supposed to work, then we have scripts that we will talk about to make it all work. Thanks.